Adjusting maximum record length. If you intend to import the sample content or use SAP Performance Management for financial services with a record length greater than 4030, execute the following steps. Call up transaction SE80. Choose Environment, Repository Info System, Program Library, Programs. Enter name RADTBCON as the program name. Go to lines 30 to 40 and search for the original entry data tablen like DD03P -int len value 4030. Edit this line and increase the value, for example, up to 15,000. Save your entries and activate. Choose any of the program for RADTBCon and choose Continue. Now you have adjusted the maximum record length.